Hey, how's it going, Bunny in here? So, awesome story. I'm at my place this morning, wake up, it's raining. I'm like, damn it, look at the forecast. Okay, 12% chance precipitation later on in the day. Awesome. Sun comes out. I'm starting to get ready to head out, driving down the road. Sun is still out. Like an idiot, I ended up bypassing the road I wanted to turn on, so I turned around a little bit further ahead and come back, and it's raining. And then I get into one of my favorite little bush spots to go for a good, nice little drive, and lo and behold, this is what we got. This is not sunshine, and this is not a 12% chance of precipitation. So I apologize for not being able to get any content yet. This was not supposed to happen. But kind of life you lead when you live in a temperate rainforest. So, take it for what it is and enjoy it for what it is. But unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to have a bunch of drone footage for Monday. Things may change, but hey, there's a little bit of footage of me driving around the bush.